CUVIS joint is divided into two parts, a robotic arm and the main console. The robotic arm contains a manipulator with a high degree of freedom, bit designed for automatic cutting, and a base that controls the robot. For safety, an emergency switch is there to stop the operation immediately. The main console has a high-tech optical tracking sensor and a monitor to check your overall progress. Automatic cutting is the representative feature of CUVIS joint, cutting precisely as planned while minimizing possible human error. The 6-axis articulated robotic arm moves in a flexible and natural way. The OTS camera is attached to the upper side of the main console. It monitors the movement of the robot and patient in real time, which leads to a precise and safe surgery. You can flexibly change surgical plans before and during surgery, which leads to the most optimal surgery for the patients. As an open platform, CUVIS joint offers a wide and free choice of implants for the surgeon. The CUVIS joint procedure starts with the surgical plan establishment. After matching the CT data with the actual patient information, the robot automatically cuts the bone, and then the implant is inserted. For a personalized surgical plan, patients will take a CT scan. After the CT data is loaded in the planner will automatically create a 3D image. This will make a patient-customized surgery plan based on the patient's leg axis alignment, joint gap, the implant's orientation, and angle. Robot preparation is needed prior to surgery. Once it is done, the user will proceed with the incision. Register the actual patient's data by clicking some points on specific surface areas of the femur and tibia. Follow the direction of the main console. Before surgery, check the gap of the joints and balance the soft tissue. If necessary, the position and orientation of the implant can be modified precisely by 1 millimeter or 1 degree. Once the surgical plan is confirmed, the cutter moves freely within safe guidelines. The robot performs the milling, and if the cutter is out of the boundary, the robotic arm automatically stops. It also can perform bone resection while modifying the surgery plan. Insert the pre-selected implant into the cleanly milled section. After inserting the implant, check the gap of the joints to see the final result of your operation. CUVIS joint, a safer and accurate TKA surgery with a sub-millimeter cutting accuracy, offering various implant selection, flexible surgical plan, optimal alignment for the patient's leg, fast recovery of patients.